Welcome back to KaeyTech Coding. Thank you for joining us again. In our last video, we set up Visual Studio Code. Today, we're going to make our coding experience even better by installing some essential extensions. First, let's open Visual Studio Code. To install extensions, click on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. The first extension we'll install is HTML and CSS Support. This extension provides autocomplete and syntax highlighting for HTML and CSS, which makes your coding faster and more efficient. In the search bar, type HTML CSS Support, and click Install on the extension by XML. Next, we'll install the Bootstrap 5 and Font Awesome Snippets extension. This extension offers ready-to-use snippets for Bootstrap 5 and Font Awesome icons, saving you time when building responsive web designs. Type Bootstrap 5 in the search bar and install the extension by KaeyTech. For enhanced coding suggestions, we'll install the Blackbox AI extension. This AI-powered tool provides code suggestions and completions, helping you write code more efficiently. Type Blackbox AI in the search bar and install the extension by Replit. Finally, we'll install the Live Server extension, which allows us to see our code changes in real time. This is extremely useful for web development, as it updates your browser automatically when you save your file. Search for Live Server and install the extension by HTML. Now that we have these essential extensions installed, we're ready to start coding more efficiently. We'll come back to efficient web designing in future videos, so make sure to turn on post notifications to stay updated. Until I see you again, bye bye for now. Let's code the world together. Bye.